It's always fun to have with us Joe Coleman from those Callaways with Callaway Realty. Okay, I know I'm always bragging about those Callaways with everything, and just like whether buying, selling your home, and everything that you guys can do. But I also love that you always have a really cool home to tell us about. So what do you got today?
Yeah, we have a great house. It's on 30th Street in 85032. It's a wonderful property. There's a wonderful winding staircase that leads you upstairs to the master suite and the loft, which is perfect for like a home office or just a sitting room, anything these days. There's a wonderful balcony that you get to enjoy that overlooks the beautiful pool that has a waterfall feature. To enjoy the sunsets. It's actually quite a large upstairs balcony, which is a nice feature to have. If you've never had one, to get to sit out and enjoy and just sort of enjoy the fresh Arizona air, it's great. The kitchen is in the heart of the home. It's at over 3,000 square foot property. The kitchen sits right at the heart. It's open to the dining room and family room, so it's perfect for entertaining. It's got a wonderful island, a 3-car garage. There's really just not much more you could ask for in this home. It's been beautifully updated and maintained by the current owner, and it's just a great property. Lots of nice touches and special features about it.
It sounds fantastic, and I know it's going to go quick. So, I'm always telling people, if you can't get into this one, they just need to contact you, and you're going to get them into their dream home.
Yeah, absolutely. This one's going to be open today 1 to 4, but we understand if you can't make it, you can always call us for a private viewing, of course.
Nice.
And then also, if it's not this one, we have a huge pre-market inventory and are always in the thick of everything in 03254 and 85259, that kind of whole corridor. So anything in there, just give us a call first if you're thinking about selling or buying.
All right, perfect. Well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.